A phrasal verb is a fascinating aspect of the English language that combines a verb with an adverb and/or a preposition, creating a unique meaning that often diverges from the original verb. For instance, when we say to find out, we actually mean to discover. This transformation can be tricky because the meanings can be quite different from what you might expect. Let's dive deeper into this. Take the phrasal verb to take over. It means to gain control of something, like a company. So, when you hear someone say they're going to take over a project, they're not just casually stepping in, they're asserting control. Now, let's talk about transitive and intransitive verbs. All verbs can fall into these categories. A transitive verb requires an object. For example, if I say, throw a ball, the action of throwing needs something to be thrown. Similarly, phone someone or study English also have direct objects. Phrasal verbs follow this same rule. A transitive phrasal verb takes an object. For example, hang up your jacket. You can say, hang your jacket up, or hang up your jacket. Both mean the same thing, but when using a pronoun like it, you must place it in the middle. Take it off, not take off it. Here are some more examples of transitive phrasal verbs. Before you use the computer, you need to turn it on. Notice how it is the object here, or she looked at the magazine and then put it down. Again, it is the object. Let's not forget about clear them up. In this case, them refers to the dead leaves in the garden. You might also say, make sure you fill in your landing card. The object is essential here, as is the case with try it on, referring to a dress. Now, intransitive phrasal verbs are a bit simpler because they don't require an object. For instance, the plane took off and landed on time. Here, there's no object to worry about. Another example is, where did you grow up, which refers to where you lived during your childhood. Consider breaks down. This means something stops working, like a car that frequently has issues. Or carry on, which means to continue. You might say, you're doing really well, so carry on like this. Then there's drop out, which means to leave or stop participating in something, like a university course. For example, he started a university course but dropped out after 1 year. Lastly, get on means to have a good relationship, as in, my colleague and I get on really well. And if you've ever had a disagreement, you might relate to made up, which means to reconcile after an argument. Phrasal verbs add depth and color to our language, making communication more dynamic. Understanding how they work, both transitive and intransitive, can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension. So the next time you encounter a phrasal verb, remember its unique meaning and how it fits into the broader context of your conversation.